How to use Wrike Enterprise Marketing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Wrike Enterprise Marketing is a powerhouse for managing campaigns, projects, and team collaboration. But most beginners make mistakes that slow progress and waste resources. The surprising truth is that even small missteps in setup or workflow can cost your marketing team hours every week. One common mistake is not customizing workflows. Wrike Enterprise allows you to create project templates, approval pipelines, and task dependencies. Beginners often stick to default setups, which leads to bottlenecks and missed deadlines. For example, setting up an automated content approval workflow ensures each asset moves smoothly from creation to publication without constant manual follow-ups. Another frequent error is unusing dashboards and reporting. Wrike offers real-time insights into project progress, team workload, and campaign performance. Ignoring these tools means you could miss delays, overbook team members, or underperforming campaigns. Leveraging dashboards allows managers to make quick adjustments and improve efficiency. Many users also fail to integrate Wrike with other marketing tools. Email platforms, Grums, and analytics software can all sync with Wrike to provide a unified view of marketing efforts. Without integration, teams struggle with fragmented data, duplicate work, and lost opportunities. Collaboration mistakes are another hidden trap. Wrike allows commenting, proofing, and document sharing directly on tasks. Beginners often rely on email or chat outside the platform, which can scatter information and slow approvals. Keeping all communication inside Wrike ensures transparency and accountability. Finally, inadequate training is a costly oversight. Even with powerful features, teams that aren't trained on dashboards, workflows, and automation underutilize the platform. Regular onboarding sessions prevent these inefficiencies. To use Wrike Enterprise Marketing properly, customize workflows, utilize dashboards, integrate with other tools, centralize collaboration, and train your team. Avoiding these mistakes ensures campaigns run smoothly, deadlines are met, and your marketing efforts are far more productive.